and welcome to the session on Voice of the Corporate and SME Customer. So just to give you a little bit of overview of what the survey was, and then we start with a few slides and then with the panel. We did this survey in 2013, and we have repeated this again in 2016 after 3 years. We've surveyed close to about 500 corporates of various sizes, very small, less than 50 crore turnover, 50 to 250 crore turnover, 250 to 1,000 crore turnover, and 1,000 crore and more turnover. Almost 100, 125 sample size from across the country, across sectors. And we are starting to see some trends in their behaviors, what they're satisfied with, what they're unsatisfied with the banks with, behaviors in terms of pricing, digital, in terms of are they recommending banks to other friends and or not? And if they are recommending, what impact does this have on the business of the bank? So let me share some initial insights from the survey, and then we go to our eminent panel here for some Q&A. So let me first start by asking a question and just kind of maybe wake up quiz in the morning. So how much share of total banking business does a primary bank get from a corporate? What is the sense of the audience here? 80 to 100%, 60 to 80%, 40 to 60, or less than 40%? So answer A, show of hands, the first. So not 80 to 100. Anybody? 60 to 80%? I think quite a few people, 60 to 80. 40 to 60%? A lot more people, 40 to 60%. Less than 40%? There are a few people less than 40% as well. So let me reveal the answer here. So answer is 60 to 80%. It actually, yeah, some of you are right. The large corporates, the primary bank has 61% share of the business. In case of a small corporate or a SME, that number goes up to 77%. What you will also notice is the top two banks have majority of the banking business of a corporate. Another important thing is the primary bank has almost 2.5 to 4 times the market share of a corporate if they are a primary bank. That is very significant. So for a bank, it is very important to be a primary bank if you want to garner higher share of wallet of that corporate. This is what the corporates are saying. How has that changed over the last 3 years? Corporates and the SMEs both are consolidating towards a two-bank model. So we used to see for large corporates, there used to be a tertiary player, medium, there used to be a tertiary player. More and more consolidation happening between the primary and the secondary bank, though the primary bank still by far outweighs. In case of small players, it's the top two banks that take up almost 100% of the share of wallet. What we also asked the corporate customers was who their primary bank was, and then we characterized them across the various segments: foreign banks, private banks, nationalized banks, and SBI and associates. We see two clear trends here. One, the foreign banks have lost a lot of primary banking relationships. Also, the nationalized banks have lost significant primary banking relationships, especially in the large and mid. They are able to sustain that in the small segment. SBI and associate banks have kept their share. But the private sector banks have grown this share of primary banking relationship. So I've spoken a lot about primary banking relationship. What defines a primary banking relationship? Why would a corporate call a bank a primary bank? Again, a show of hands. Because you are a term loan lender, would you call that a primary bank? Show of hands. Anybody? So term loan lender is not a primary bank. How about the working capital finance? Okay. Current account? Yes. Salary account, payroll accounts? No. It's one. So basically, current account and to some extent, working capital, cash management, payroll, if you take transaction banking products as a whole, they really define a primary bank for the corporate and the SME customer. The way to read this chart is 92% of the corporate and SME customers use current accounts. 82% or 90% of the 92% use the current account with their primary bank, the one that they identify as their primary bank. So having a current account and a primary current account of a corporate or an SME almost defines that they will identify with you as your primary bank, right? And that is a big insight that just lending doesn't make you a primary bank for a corporate. If you were just lending, what happens? And so the way to read this chart is there are term loans at the top. 59% of the corporates surveyed take term loans from banks. Out of that, for example, current account, only 44%, or out of 59, 44 percentage points, use the current account with the same bank from which they are using a term loan or taking the term loan, right? Which means that the term loan providers, if you look at all the purple on the slide, term loan providers are giving their balance sheet to the SMEs and the corporates, lending the money, but not really taking their fair share of these other transaction banking businesses, which then the other banks are taking into.